We got an update for you today. Hims and Hers. 2024 for the full year was one of the best years for Hims and Hers, and we're going to go through those numbers right now. So I'm making this video a little early. I'm not sure when it's going to release, probably in like 2 days. So the price is definitely going to change, but as of right now, $61, $13 billion valuation. What is going on? Hims and Hers. We're going to do a short fundamental analysis of Hims and Hers and see how they did in 2024 compared to the previous years. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have Hims and Hers. The latest column K, will be year 2024. That is the latest year that they just finished last year. I'll highlight the ones we'll go over. We got total revenue, gross profit. We have net income, of course, earnings per share. And we'll go through the cash position, some of the stuff on the balance sheet, cash position, long-term debt, etc., etc. But yeah, let's start with total revenue, Hims and Hers, up to 1.4 billion. I mean, just look at how insane this growth is, guys. Just from 2020, just from 4 years ago, they were only making 148 million 4 years ago. 148 million. All the way to 1.4 billion. These are insane numbers, and they are giving guidance for 2025 to break over 2 billion. Guys, this is the #1 growth company out there right now. Do not sell your shares too early. I think this stock is going to be crazy. So anyway, sales growth year over year. They posted 1.4 billion versus 872 million in 2023. That is up 69%. Usually we like seeing 25%, 30%, but 69%? Pretty crazy. All right, so gross profit took a little hit. It's down to 79%, but 81% profit margins. 81% profit margins, guys. Like, there's not a lot of companies out there that are making 81% in profit margins, unless you're like a SaaS company or a tech company. I guess Hims and Hers is technically a SaaS company, a tech company. They are the platform company. So I guess they are in that field, but 81% profit margins. Those are some crazy numbers. Slight decline in 2024, down to 79% because of the launch of the GLP-1s and their weight loss vertical. They did guide that they were going to drop in that profit margin this year. Still making 79%. That's still good. All right, down to net income, 126 million in net income. This is the first quarter. And this is why I'm so bullish, guys. This is the first quarter where this company is actually starting to make some money, starting to show positive bottom line. Net income, check it out. 126 million versus negative 23. 2024 is the first year of posting positive net income from Hims and Hers. This is a huge deal. Huge. Go down to earnings per share. First year of positive earnings per share, 58 versus negative 0.11. In 2023, that is up 627% year over year. Those are some insane numbers, guys. I don't know if you've looked at any other company, but these numbers that Hims and Hers are posting are just like, they're destroying these numbers. These are some crazy numbers. When I'm researching this company, my hands shake. It doesn't make sense how this company is growing so quick, but they're doing it. That's why we bought it. Earnings per share growth year over year, 627%. They are on their way to becoming a really profitable company. Huge amounts of cash flows coming in. Guys, this company has not even started. I don't think this move even warrants some of the numbers that they're posting. This doesn't even show. Like, we're not even near the top. Like, this thing's going to be crazy. Not financial advice, but I'm just saying. Okay, so next one. Cash, long-term debt. Cash position, 300 million. Remember, guys, they just issued $1 billion in a convertible debt offering. So that cash position is actually going to be 1.3. Let me fix that. So $1.3 billion in cash, which they're going to use to expand internationally, improve their AI. With zero long-term debt, Hims and Hers, zero long-term debt. They got all that cash. Well, they do have to pay that convertible debt back, but it's at 0% interest rate till like, I believe, 2030. So we got a while. So 1.3 billion in cash, no long-term debt. Yeah, but last thing we'll go over today is the free cash flow per share. Company stock price will usually follow the free cash flow per share. And look at the improvement, guys. So for the 2024 year, 92 cents. They posted 92 cents in free cash flow per share versus 22 cents in free cash flow per share. That is up 318%. That is an improvement of 318% year over year. I mean, I would say I go through a lot of companies' fundamentals, balance sheets, income statements, and the numbers that Hims and Hers is posting is just like blowing my mind. These are just like some crazy growth numbers. They're posting numbers that are kind of unbelievable, but they're doing it. They're freaking doing it. So, yeah, guys. So, yeah, check out my other videos where I go through the quarterly data of Hims and Hers just to get a more microscopic view of this company, but in general for 2024, huge improvements. Probably one of the best years actually. So anyways, two consecutive. So now they are coming at 2 years of positive free cash flow per share. Latest one is up 318% year over year. $1.3 billion in cash, no debt. And of course, the first year of positive net income, positive earnings per share, $61. $13 billion valuation. That's nothing. That's nothing. I still think this company is super cheap, not financial advice, but I still think this company is super cheap compared to the growth they are experiencing. Check out the website real quick. By the end of this year, they talked about how they were going to start going into testosterone treatment and menopause for women. So, a lot more verticals coming in that are going to push that total revenue up. They're going to increase their cash flow per share. Don't sell your shares too early, guys. Don't make that mistake. Just hold. Just hold for the long term. This is going to be the Netflix of healthcare. Anyways, if you guys like the video, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hope everyone has a good night, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.